Question number 7. It is also just same as the previous question, right? So here is AB. What is question? AB is the line segment and P is its midpoint. See, AB is the line segment, P is the midpoint. So here itself we can mark this side equal to this side, right? And next one is D and E are the points on the same side of AB. Okay, AB line, the same side, D, E are the points on the same side of AB. What is next? Such that angle is given BAD, angle BAD, BAD, this angle equal to this angle. Yes, it is already mentioned in that figure. And this angle equal to DPB. Yes, here it's mentioned. Okay, now we need to prove DPA. Yes, DPA, this angle. So, when we are drawing like that, see, we can mark it like this. This angle A, D, P is congruent to angle. We can mark it is like this. Another angle. Yes. Yeah, this is E and this is B. This is P. Yes, we need to prove this triangle is congruent to this triangle, right? So it is here. So what we have to do? Yes, two angles is given, right? This angle equal to this angle, one angle, and this angle equal to this angle, it is given. But here is the problem is what? This side equal to this side is given. But in this angle, actually we need this angle APD. But here it is given what? APE equal to BPE. So just like the previous question, we can write it first. What we need to consider first of all what yes, these two triangles. So we can write in triangle, which one is first? APD, APD and triangle, APD and triangle, APD and BPE, 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 two triangle we are EPB. So we are just considering the angle DAP. Okay, so if you are considering this question, we can write DAP, then also no matter. Once either we can write in this way, or at least actually we need to prove this. So we can write in this way also, or we can write both the same DAP, angle DAP in triangle DAP and triangle EBP, EBP, both are correct. Yes, now what we have to do? Yeah, we can write it as yes, just like the previous question, we can write APE equal to angle APE, APE equal to, they have given angle APE equal to angle BPD, BPD. Yeah, actually this angle we to prove that we need angle what this APD. So what we to get APD, what we can do? Yeah, this is a common portion, this is a common angle. Which one? Angle EPD. So we can add the both side angle EPD, right? So we can write here angle APE plus what we need to add? EPD. So angle EPD equal to, here it is angle BPD plus we are adding angle EPD. So here what we have done? We added both side EPD. EPD is a common portion. EPD, it is an angle, common angle. Well, so we are adding. So by looking at this figure, we know when we are adding this portion, this angle along with this, we will get a required angle. So we can write therefore angle, this plus this means angle APD, angle APD equal to angle which one? BPE. Actually angle BPE. Actually we need this angle, right? When we are adding this. Okay, one angle we got. Rest, of course, angle, which angle? Angle, it is given that DAP. angle DAP equal to angle DAP equal to angle EBP, angle EBP. What is the reason? Yeah, it is given. Right. Now we know that side P is the midpoint they have given. So we can write AP equal to BP. What is the reason? AP equal to BP. The reason is P is the midpoint. Midpoint of what? Midpoint of AB, or it is given, we can say. So here we got two angles and what the included side. So we can write what this triangle. Therefore we can write triangle ADAP. Triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EBP. What is the rule? Which rule we applied? Yes, it is ASA rule. ASA rule, right? Two angles and included side rule. So first one is over. We proved it. So what about the second sub question? AD equal to B. AD equal to BE. Yes, it is as usual by CBCD. You see here AD equal to BE. So we can directly write its answer. Second portion. Yeah, AD equal to BE. What is the reason? Yeah, it is, yes, you said it, by CP CT, corresponding parts of congruence triangles. Yes, hope you understood. Let us move to the next question. Yeah, here is the 8th question. This is the last question from this section, right? Exercise 7.1. The last question is this one. Yes, what does this question says? Yes, in a right angle triangle ABC. Yeah, ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle at C. Yes, this is a right angle. C is a right angle. Angle C equal to 90 degree. Right angle. Yes, the given. And what is X? Next to M is the midpoint of hypotenuse AB. M is the midpoint. That means we can write here BM equal to AM. It is given that. What is next? M is the midpoint of the hypotenuse AB. Then C is joined to M. C is joined to M. Then what is that? And produced to D. Yes, D. And such that DM equal to, is that also given. DM equal to CM. DM equal to CM. DM equal to, that is also given. Point D is joined to point B. Yes, D is point to B. This is joined. So we got this figure, right? And we know, oh yes, this got this figure. We have to prove, we have to show the first one is triangle AMC congruent to BMC. Let us check here which triangle is AMC. AMC, yes, this triangle is congruent to BMD. Yes, this triangle. So first just think about here. These things are given, right? We need to prove this triangle is congruent to this triangle. Well, so what are things given? Well, we know they have given that what? Yes, here it is. BCM equal to yes, DM. Yes, this side we got, and also here it is what? BM equal to, yes, this equal to this, that also good. And also what about this angle? This angle equal to this angle. Yes, we know. So we got answer. So by using SAS rule we can apply here. Oh well, yes, we can write. Once you think about it, when we flip this one, when we rotate this side angle and fold it like that, of course it is congruence, right? So like that, just imagine you, then it will be easy for you to prove these things. Yes, so here we can prove the first question. Yes, what we can write? Yes, we need to write as usual. We need to consider which triangle? Triangle AMC and triangle which one? BMD. Yes, look at this picture, right? These two triangles. And yes, of course we can write very fast what are the things what they have given. Yes, so BM equal to, we can write BM equal to, yes, BM equal to AM. Yes, AM. The reason is what they have given. Otherwise we can write M is the midpoint. Then we can write what? DM equal to CM. DM equal to CM. What is the reason? DM equal to CM. What is the reason? Yes, they have given. That is given. Now we can say what the angle DMB. Angle DMB equal to angle DMB equal to CMA. CMA. What is the reason? Yes, it is very simple. What is that? It is vertically opposite angle. So we have to mention here vertically opposite angles. We have already learned that vertically opposite angles are equal. Well, so we can write what? Triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. Don't forget to mention that by which rule we applied. Yes, it is SAS by SAS congruence rule. SAS rule we proved. So the first section is over. Well, now the second question, the second part is what? Yes, it is angle DBC is a right angle. DBC is a right angle. So how we can prove it? Yes, it's already given that angle C equal to 90 degree. It is given. Well, and here we proved what? Yes, here we proved this triangle is congruent to this triangle. Well, so we can say what? This triangle is congruent to this triangle. Well, therefore we can write this angle equal to this angle. Why? The reason is just proved above, right? So we can write as a second sub question, we can say angle, which angle? Angle DBM, or it is same as DBA. So we can write here DB, instead of M I am writing DBA is equal to what? Angle CAM I am not writing, instead of that I am writing CAB. Look at this figure. What is the reason? This angle equal to this angle. What is the reason? This angle equal to this angle. What is the reason? Yes, just now we proved by CPCT. Proved above, or you can write proved above. Well, if it is like that, we can say what? This line is parallel to this line. Well, if the alternate interior angles are equal, then two lines are parallel. We have already learned. So we can write, therefore we can write BD is parallel to which line? BD is parallel to CA. This is parallel. Well, the reason is what? We know already, we have learned two lines are like this, it's going, and one transverse is going. If this angle equal to this angle, it is alternate interior angle. This angle is equal to this angle. We can say these two lines are parallel. That law only applied here, right? So we know already it is given, but DBC is perpendicular to AC. It is given that BC is perpendicular to AC, or it is given that this angle equal to 90 degree. It is given. So we know if these two are parallel, so we can write angle, which one? DBC plus angle ACB should be 180 degree. Why 180 degree? Because if this is parallel to this, of course what and this angle should be, this plus this should be 180 degree, right? So we can write this given already 90 degree. So just apply the DBC we don't know, D we need to prove, that is 90 degree. DBC plus this is given 90 degree equal to ACB, it is given that 90 degree, 180 degree. Therefore angle DBC equal to 180 minus 90. What is that? That is 90 degree. So we proved this is 90 degree. Okay. Now we need to consider third question. What is that? Triangle DBC. Where is the triangle DBC? DBC. Congruent triangle ACB. Yes, so the third one is we need to consider triangle, which one? DBC and triangle ACB. Now look at this figure. Yes, any one of the rule can be applied to prove these two triangles are congruent? Yes, it is. Yes, here we got what this BC is a common side. If this equal to this side, proved in the first case by CPCT, right? And this angle equal to 90 degree, this angle also 90 degree. So by using AAS rule we can prove. So we can write here BC equal to BC or BC equal to C. Okay, that is what it is a common side. Yes, well, it is common side. Then what else given? The first case BD equal to AC, BD equal to, yes, BD equal to AC. What is the reason? Yes, proved above, right? Proved above. In the first question we proved. So proved above by CPCT. We proved actually these two triangles, these are congruent. So by CPCT, the corresponding sides are equal. So proved above. That angle, one angle we can take it as what? DBC. The angle DBC equal to angle ACB. What is the reason? Yeah, just now only proved each 90 degree. Therefore, we can write, therefore triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB. Which rule? By SSA. By SSA. By SAS. Okay, by SAS. So that we proved. The last one is what? We need to prove CM equal to half AB. CM equal to half AB. We know CM equal to half CD is given that. So as a fourth sub question we can write what? We know that what? CD equal to what? We can write CD equal to AB. We can write. What is the reason? By CPCT. Just now only we proved these two triangles are congruent. Right? CPCT we can write. So we can write CD is, instead of CD we can write what? 2cm. Instead of CD we can write 2 into 2cm. By the reason is what? Yes, we know M is the midpoint of CD equal to AB. Right? Therefore, from here we can write CM equal to, we can take this 2 to this side, so 1 by 2 into AB. So that only we need to prove. Right? Yes, hope you understood this question. So this is the last question of this section 7.1. Hope you understood. See you next class. Bye.